what is happening with my channel, tips on starting a YouTube channel 2020, and experience from a new YouTuber to a new YouTuber. Let us begin the video. Hi guys, this is Shilpa Raidas and a very warm welcome to my channel. If you guys like videos on entrepreneurial skills, social media tips, social media marketing, then this is the channel for you. I come up with videos very often and you should subscribe to me. Do hit on the bell icon so that you will be notified every time my video is up. It's been 2 weeks since I started my channel and put up my first video, and yay, I'm so happy about it. And I have put up 8 videos. I have got some views. I'll tell you guys. I'm going to take you to my screen actually and show you my stats real time. And if you have watched my first video, I have talked about how I am going to prepare my niche videos, with information and value. But at the same time, I'm going to document my journey. I'm going to document the growth curve, the stats in very transparent format for my audience, so that the people who are watching me, they also know what is happening with my channel. Moreover, the new YouTubers who come on to get inspired or get some support, they will know that from the beginning what were my strategies, what changes I brought about, and because of those changes, what happened with the channel, good or bad. Yeah. So since it was 2 weeks, I have completed 8 videos. I thought it is a good time to bring in my first stats in front of you guys. Okay. So as I am making this video, I have got 160 subscribers in my channel. I have written down the names of these 160 people and I am going to voice them out turn-wise, all 160 of them, so that I can thank them for subscribing to my channel. Let's begin. Of course I won't do that, and that was a very bad joke. I wonder if it had any effect. Anyways, I would still like to universally thank all my friends, my family members, my relatives, my Instagram friends, my Facebook friends, for subscribing to my channel, for supporting me, for giving me a shoulder of care and comfort, through this. I've had a lot of friends call me. I've had a lot of friends message me. I have a lot of unknown friends who are my friends now, whom I did not know earlier, message me and give me a feedback. So this is something which I am really happy about. It inspires me more. It's a feeling of being in a community because of a certain, because of something that you are trying to do in your life right now. People joining in hands with you and supporting you through this. It's a feeling of, belonging to a community and being supported and loved. So first of all, the whole feeling of it is just great. I would like to thank you guys. Thank you so much for being there with me to give me this feeling. Please do continue to support me and give me your feedback upfrontly so that I can get better and that I can bring out better content and do a better job every time I have a new video. Yeah, let's start with the content. Also, guys, as I mentioned, this is a very raw video. There's no format, there's no script. I will be a bit mumble jumble, so please forgive me. So coming down to the content, I assumed, or I thought, not assumed, like why am I assuming? I decided, as I mentioned on my first video, that I'm going to make videos on entrepreneurial skills, social media tips, manifestation, and self-help. I think I wanted to cover up everything. But by the 4th video or 3rd video, I knew that it's not possible for me to jot down all the topics, because the kind of audience that came on, they had interest in a certain they have interest in a certain niche, they have interest in a certain streak. You don't want to confuse your audience that every second video you make is going to be about a different topic. And as it is, I was more inclined to entrepreneurial and social media tips, so I decided by the 4th video that I'm just going to niche down to 2 niches, that is them. And this is contradictory to my 2nd video, but yes, this is why I have the channel and this is why I am learning from it. So this is my learning, guys. Start off with a combo niche of 2, and that'll just suffice enough. If you are like me, who had a lot of ideas, try to come down to just 2 or maybe 3 to the max, and that's it. Okay, when you are reaching your third, fourth, fifth, eighth video, probably you are going to have a much better idea of what you are good at and what you are going to do. Talking about the frequency of the videos, okay, I really wanted to get aggressive and have a video a day at least, but that is not like possible. That was not possible for me. So I managed 8 videos in these 15 days. It is said that only if you're giving out very quality videos, the frequency, the number of videos of it doesn't matter. But all the YouTubers I'm following, I'm trying to learn from, they put out a lot of content very often. So there must be a reason why they're doing that, right? There must be some maths to it. So I went for the maths. I did not go for the, suggestion that is universally said, quality over quantity. I tried to go for quantity and quality both, and I managed 8. I think the number of views I have managed to achieve as yet is a lot because of that. Let's say I put up only 4 videos in this whole month, or I put up a video a week, like 2 a week. I'm a new creator. I'm not yet very well placed in the algorithm. YouTube is testing me, and I'm yet to be tested and yet to find a respectable place in YouTube overall. Okay, so there is less chances of me being, suggested or displayed in front of a lot of audience. In that context, if I put very less videos again, I'm slowing down my process to at least a year or 6 months, which I do not want. Okay, so I decided to put in a lot of videos, and hopefully I'll be continuing to do the same. I suggest you guys also the same. If you're starting out a channel, make it a point that 2 months prior, have at least all your topics ready, have them scripted, work on them, so that when you start, your velocity is pretty good, your frequency is good, and you put on more videos more often. And in that aggression and fire, your audience is also watching, and it's beneficial for both of them. Okay. I had a lot of blockage. Like, I think this is the 5th time I'm trying to shoot this video. I started off at 8 in the evening, I think, and it's now 1. Imagine that. New business social media. 1, 2, 3, start. Start. In 44 seconds. 1, 2, 3, start. Final start. Start. Thanks so much for guys. Okay, let's move on. So I'm not at all close to perfection or even good to it, but it's working. End of the day, your capabilities of editing matters, and I'm taking a lot of time to edit as well. So at least 4 to 6 hours you have to give editing one video, and I use OpenShot. I use OpenShot, which is a software to edit the applications. I tried a lot, like Shortcut was there, DaVinci, and so many others. I cannot remember the names. I tried my hands at all of them, but I landed up with OpenShot because it was the most simplest one for a person who's never done editing. This will be the most simplest form that you can get. So I will also leave a link down, okay, for you guys, so you can click on it and get it for yourself if you want, if you like, that is. Okay. Yeah, the length of the videos, I thought I'm going to go for long tail videos deliberately, because if I get a view, then I'm going to get the entire stretch of it, but that was wrong of me. If a person watches, they will watch entirely, or they'll just skip out in the first few minutes. Okay, so your first few minutes have to be very intriguing. I'm not yet at all good at the art of it, I think so. Make it a point, try to make it a point to it's being intriguing, and also the length of it. Mostly all my friends suggested me that your videos are too long, try to make it short. So I'll try to stick down to 10 to 15 minutes of sweet spot, which is preferably stable for somebody to watch it throughout. And the structure of it, I think I'm okay with it. Like, since mine are educational videos, so I start off with the title and the head, what I'm going to tell them, and I then go on for the steps point 1 2 3 4 tips 1 2 3 4, and I come to the conclusion. So I think it's good. I don't want to bring a change on that. Yeah, so that is all about my experiences. Before I show you the stats now, I just want to tell you something from the heart. Okay, is it worth starting a channel in 2020? Yes, it is totally worth starting a channel in 2020, because YouTube itself says that it promotes new creators all the time. So if you have good content, if you are good with your videos, okay, you have a high chance to rank on YouTube, because when the videos are new, they automatically get ranked for a few days on the search platform, given you are using the right keywords. So obviously you have to learn how to use the good keywords if you are getting into it, right? Yeah. So be it 20 or be it 21, it is always a good time, that I would say. Secondly, I got a lot of quite a few, okay, in just 2 weeks I got quite a lot of business proposals, or people seeking for my consultancy in social media marketing, which otherwise would not have been at this faster pace other times if I would not have started my channel. So YouTube is just not about the channel. YouTube is about creating or building a brand or a business altogether. So don't just think about starting in the perspective of a channel. Start about your business. Think about of it as your business, core business, okay? So end of the day, even if you are putting out value content, it's giving out information to people, doing good to them, all of that is there, but the major benefit is going to be for you as well, okay? So do not think of it just as, first of all, don't think of it as late. Secondly, you feel a lot of love and compassion from your community. Think of it as a brand and a business. And yes, all of it summary, it's totally worth starting a YouTube channel in 2020. Okay, that's what I've got to say. Now we are going to go onto my screen and I'm going to show you my stats real time. Okay, so let us start the recording first. Okay, we are recording now. Okay, so we are recording now, and this is my channel analytics page. We are here. So in the past 28 days, which accounts for 15 days for me, I have got 1,847 views, and I have got 125 hours, 0.7. Oh my god. Okay, so I have got a watch time of 125.7, like let's consider it as 126 hours, and 154 is showing here because analytics takes a little time to update, like 48 hours, but it is 160 subscribers. Okay, so per video you can say 126 divided by 8, around 15 hours of watch time per video, and somewhere around, I don't know, 400 divided by 8, 225 average, 225 views per video and 15 hours of watch time per video. I think considering it is very average for a new channel, not below average but very average as well. Yeah, that's what. I don't think so I have too much of details to tell you in the first stats video as well, because that's all I can tell you right now. The average views for 48 hours is going for 200, okay, and the count for subscribers has become 160. So guys, by the methods I have followed, the frequency, the format, the content, okay, the length, all of it combined, it's coming down to this. That's the motive of the video. Yeah, so make your calculations on what you will put up, what you will put down, what strategy you will make for yourself, and do it and try to get the best results, 10x your results with your YouTube channel. Even as a new person, you have to vision it has to be 10x. Okay, yeah, so that's about it, guys. I have nothing much to tell you on this video. I don't think so this has been the most happening video. I like to give a lot of information and I feel good that time. I don't know how valuable this has been. Let me know in the comments. If you have stuck around watching me till the end, I think it's time to subscribe to my channel, so do it right away and press on the bell icon so that you are notified whenever the video is up, and you can take down the information from the video, the valuable information, immediately. Okay, and I am going to bring out more content. I'm going to actually get on to shorter videos with a lot of social media unique tips which I have discovered in these past few months. I want to share it with you guys, and I'm also going to work on business communication, which is going to be in my next videos as well, so stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching me through this video. This is Shilpa Raidas, and take care of yourself. Have a great day ahead, and God bless you all. Bye bye.